of the rarest, bring flowers of the fairest, from garden and woodland and hillside and dale.
Our full hearts are swelling, our glad voices telling the praise of the loveliest rose of the vale.
O Mary, we crown thee with blossoms
Today, Queen of the angels, Queen of the May.
O Mary,
We crown thee with blossoms today, Queen of the angels, Queen of the May.
our voices ascending, in harmony blending.
Oh, thus may our hearts turn, dear Mother, to thee.
And thus shall we prove thee,
How truly we love thee.
how dark without Mary
Life's journey would be.
O Mary, we crown thee with blossoms
Today, Queen of
Laudate, laudate, laudate Maria.
Bring flowers of the rarest, bring flowers of the fairest.
Angels of Nongiarap, laudate, laudate, laudate Maria, laudate, laudate, laudate Maria.
With blossoms
today, Queen of the angels, Queen of the May.
O Mary,
We crown thee with blossoms today, Queen of the angels, Queen of the May.
our voices ascending, in harmony blending.